Annalie Schott was a Colorado cowgirl who could ride like the wind and rope a calf like a pro.
She was the light of our life. She was the center cog of our family.
She was also a teenager in a rural world, staying connected with her friends through social media. But at some point, her mother says, she lost her sparkle. Lori Schott thinks that was linked to the 5 Instagram accounts and a TikTok app hidden on her phone.
It just amplified into this spiral of an algorithm hellhole that destroyed who she was. And I will never back off of that comment because it told her.
Anna would grow physically ill when visiting a ranch with no internet. In her journal, she wrote, "How could somebody love somebody as ugly as me? I look in the mirror, I look at other girls' profiles. I have no future."
The hard thing for me is that we missed it. We didn't understand it. We didn't have a chance to understand it. And they took over my little girl and destroyed who she thought she was.
Lori Schott has joined other parents who are suing social media companies.
A state lawsuit in Los Angeles and a federal case here in Oakland are following the lead of the successful anti-tobacco cases. They're arguing that internet service providers offer a defective product, in this case one that deliberately addicts young users, sometimes with tragic results.
Lawyers for the parents say the company's own documents back their claims.
These documents are literally talking about how they're going to hook kids. They are feeling like they want to die if they cannot get onto these platforms. That is by design. That needs to go, right? It's digital nicotine, and they're giving it to our kids with no warnings, no heads up, and children are dying and suffering as a result.
Would you like to apologize for
At a congressional hearing in 2024, Lori and other parents got a forced apology from Meta's Mark Zuckerberg.
He had the opportunity right there in that courtroom to say, I'm the leader of the biggest platform there is. I can change things because I see a sea of dead children's faces in this Senate hearing, and he did nothing.
TikTok and Snapchat have settled out of court in the Los Angeles case. None of the defendant companies have admitted wrongdoing. A spokesman for YouTube says the allegations are simply not true and adds, providing young people with a safer, healthier experience has always been core to our work.
I hope to hell that courtroom is ringing with all those kids' faces, memories, because it's real and it's happened.
The courts will now render their own verdicts on those statements. John Hendren, Al Jazeera, Oakland, California.
Don't miss out and get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news and expert insights. Like, share, stay ahead.